Hey, it's CarExamer here, and today we have Peugeot 3008 for premium inspection. The road is done, everything is alright. It drives alright, interior is nice and clean. The brake light is out. That's comes up on a diagnostic scanner. The rest of it is alright, but what I found when I'm doing paint and body check on what I want to show you is this section here. Obviously it's been repaired professionally. I believe this being a dealership job. I notice here, if you look, see, got nearly 1,000 microns, so it's here you got 200. So now normally what we need are about 90 to 100. That will be original paint spray, right? So if you look in here, you got 700. Yeah, if you drop in here, it's 200, right? So that means here they cut it, right? Or basically here, yeah, you can see there's no spots anymore, you know. And if you go down here, same thing here. See, if you measure in here, so that means in this section here, where was it? In this section here, they cut it and replace this skin part, right? As it was involved in some sort of accident. That's what the dealerships do when there is some sort of damage done, and it's been repaired up to the manufacturer standards, right? And obviously if there is something, when you do it, there will be readings like that. It still needs a filler because you weld, you know, and this is what we can find out, you know. It just needs to find out if it was reported as an accident, or if it's just being repaired, and I probably exited the demo car at the dealership and they've repaired it, and they've put it through the insurance. No, it doesn't matter. It just happens sometimes, so at least we can find this out and let the customer know. Yeah, other side as well has been resprayed, but there's now on the door there's a bit of too high reading, 1,000 microns, and that's what we do. It's CarExamer. If you would want to know what's wrong with the vehicle, check out our inspections on carexamer.com. What we offer, use carexamer.com, book them, we can help you out. That's what we do. See us in action.